Today, we're celebrating Abby's birthday. She's turning 5 and we are having Pupcakes. And I'm gonna show you how to make her favorite recipe. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make Pupcakes. These are dog cupcakes that are perfect for your puppy. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Now everyone loves my dog cake so much, I had to make a cupcake version and this is it. All right, so in this bowl I have a cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and 2 tablespoons of honey. And then to that I'm also going to add 1 large egg. Stir that together just until it's kind of mixed, get all those wet ingredients mixed together. And then you're going to mix in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're also going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. You could also use whole wheat here, and then just mix that together until it's nice and combined. Make sure that your dog doesn't have any like wheat intolerances or any allergies to any of these ingredients before you make these cupcakes and serve them to them. That's really important. Then you're gonna scoop the cupcakes and put them into a muffin pan. I'm not using liners here. You don't need to use liners because the dog's not gonna eat the liner, but make sure you spray them with nonstick cooking spray. This makes 6 perfect cupcakes. Once they're baked, a toothpick will come out clean. That's how you'll know that they're done. And then it is time to make the frosting. My dog, Abby, loves whipped cream and peanut butter. So it's a cup of cold, heavy whipping cream with a tablespoon of peanut butter. You don't need any sweetener in there. Make sure that the peanut butter does not contain xylitol or any added sweeteners because dogs can't have that. Just whip this until stiff peaks form. And you're basically just making like a peanut butter flavored whipped cream here. This is like crack for my dog, so she absolutely loves it. Once you have that mixed to stiff peaks, go ahead and frost those cupcakes. Your dog will be clamoring for a bite. You can see Abby is very excited to taste these here. I'm just topping these with a cute little milk bone for garnish. And now we can sing happy birthday to my puppy. She's 5 years old. This is Abby, and she loves these cupcakes. You can tell she doesn't love to be held all the time, but she does love sweet treats, and she loves these cupcakes. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're gonna make for your pup for their birthday, and keep watching for even more desserts.